is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making banana nut muffins. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, 3 bananas, a half a cup of Greek yogurt, a cup of walnuts, a quarter cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of sugar, a stick of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 egg. So let's get started. We're going to heat our oven to 350 degrees and we're going to prepare 2 cupcake pans with either cupcake liners or parchment paper. And I have these cute little liners that I bought, so I'm going to use those. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to whisk together 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to whisk these together. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine our half a cup of melted butter, our quarter cup of brown sugar, our half a cup of sugar, and we're going to stir these together. Once our butter and sugar is thoroughly combined, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla and our egg. And we're going to stir these together. Now we're going to add our Greek yogurt and our 3 mashed bananas. And we're going to stir these in together. Once our ingredients are combined, we're going to pour in our flour mixture and stir it in completely. You're just going to stir it until your ingredients are completely mixed in. You're not going to over stir. Now we're going to pour in our walnuts, and if your walnuts are too big, just break them up with your hands or cut them up. But they're not finely chopped, they're just chopped. Now it's time to put our batter into our cupcake pan. We're going to take our cupcake liners, we're going to fill them 3/4 of the way full. Now it's time to put our muffins into the oven. We're going to bake these for 18 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. I've taken the banana nut muffins out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool for 5 minutes before I serve them. Our banana nut muffins are ready to serve. This recipe yields anywhere from 18 to 24 muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.